This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB.
It's a journey, right? And alam naman natin that being a CEO is a position that is not plenty. The first journey is to first learn how to be good in management. Once you've done that, then the next thing is to learn how to be good as a leader. Kasi dalawa yun. And to me, the best thing that describes that is you have to learn how to be human and you drive performance at the same time. Kasi many leaders or managers have that problem. Kailangan mabait ba ako or kailangan Hitler ako? And sometimes we think we have to make a choice between one or the other. Okay. But what I've learned over these last decades is that you have to be good. You have to learn how to care. At the same time, you have to produce the results. Otherwise, you will not go up because the caring is something that people like about you, but the results is something that will that higher management will use as a basis for choosing you to move forward. So you need both. You don't have that caring aspect, no one will follow you. So again, you get a bad rap. Even if you're very good at what you do, you'll always get a reputation, ay, wag yan. What you want higher management to hear is a consistency in both. Magaling sa tao, mahusay mag-deliver ng results. Yun lang yung, that's what you want. Parang in terms of when you're doing virtual meetings now and all these things that are digital, you want very specific feedback.
Okay.
And you only want two feedback that will go up. Mahusay sa tao, magaling sa resulta. Those two. Very simple but very hard to do.
I was about to say, parang, ang ganda nga, very simple, only two things. They also seem to be opposite ends of the pole. Is that another way of looking at it?
Yes, it is. It looks like they're opposite, but actually they're not.
Okay.
Because you cannot do one without the other. For example, you cannot do your job well as a manager if you're leading somebody if you don't care about the people. Kasi you need to invest time to teach, to develop, to coach, etc., etc. So if you don't have that caring, you don't have that pasensya, you will not do that. Kasi that's extra effort on your part. Pwede naman, nasa job description naman yan, you must produce X. You can just go there, right? So these are all extra things that you do that shows that caring. And caring, the English nice word for that is influence. That develops influence. Para sumunod sa'yo, yun. Gusto mo silang sumunod sa'yo. But that will not happen if they don't see na you care.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.